If you want to give your users an option to go ahead and pick out currency, then you can go ahead and utilize Currency Picker widget. So to do that, you can go ahead and click on Add Element, and then you can go to Widgets right here, and then type in Currency right here, just like this. So here you can see that you got Currency Converter and Currency Picker. Let me just go ahead and select both right here, just like this. Then what happens is that over here in the Currency Converter, you can see that you can select out a theme as you like, and then you got a conversion right here where it pulls out the data from real currency exchange details. And apart from that, now you can see the currency picker right here, and this allows you to go ahead and pick a currency. So let's just go ahead and then preview out the form right here, just like this. So here you can see that I got 100. Let's say I'm going to say 150 US dollars to euro, convert, and then you see the exact conversion rate. Let me just click on new and select out another, let's say for example, currency like Filipino peso right here. Click on convert, and then what happens is that you can see the Filipino peso right here. So now over here, now you can see that there's the currency selection right here. You can go ahead and select out the currency that you want right here, like Thai baht right here, just like this. So all the currency name is basically there. And that is how you can go ahead and basically use out the currency widgets inside of Jotform for conversion and for picking out certain currency. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.